Walla! Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
So we're sitting here at the bus stop just across from the York rail station, and it's a stop. RJ. So from here we'll jump on a bus and it'll take us to Leeds. It doesn't take quite an hour, like 45 minutes to get to Leeds, and then we'll switch buses and go all the way to Chester. We bought these tickets from National Express online. I hope it works out pretty good. Good.
We had a little unnecessary panic.
We're really good at having unnecessary panics. You know, it's always better to be safe than sorry. But, you know, we're already always constantly in knots. It's probably not that good either. But it should be good.
I'm pretty relaxed.
We'll see you at the next stop, I guess. It so happened that our bus pulled up right next to the bus to Chester. So, should be easy. Just get on this guy and go the rest of the way. We made it to Chester. But it took like 5 hours, right? We're just gonna try to unwind a bit now after a long day of travel and a sort of stressful check-in. Find something to eat and enjoy this beautiful little town. I love these timber buildings, eh? Aren't they so cool? Hey, little pigeon. Smile nicely for the mom. See ya. So this was erected for Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. It's pretty cool. Does it feel less touristy? Okay. What is this thing? It's really rather interesting. Cool. We're quickly learning, I think, that one of our favorite things to do in a city is wander the walls, if there's walls. Well, the walls here, the walls in York. We tried to wander the walls in Brasov. That was pretty cool. It's the remains of an old Roman amphitheater. Pretty cool.
Giant lights there too, so they must light up.
There's a guy doing like parkour or something. There's at least running around jumping on things. Very beginner parkour, I would say.
You gotta start somewhere.
You do have to start somewhere. But on Roman ruins, I mean, what a way to start. So that down there used to be a Roman bath, it looks like. This is bathing in style. And some old tile work as well, which is pretty cool. Come on, let's see it. Let's see you walk the catwalk. Vogue, 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 Vogue. It's hard to see, but there's a blue heron right there. And I used to joke with my dad that there was a blue heron in our backyard. It was like our bit. Yeah, he had this plastic blue heron. And I'd be like, Dad, look at the back window. There's a blue heron. And he'd be like, really? And he'd look out and I'd point at the plastic blue heron and he'd be like, aw. What do you have to say to me?
What up, Chester Castle?
There's a crow up on the wall. Oh, no, the crow's back on the wall. Where it belongs. He said the words.
Doesn't want to be cut. Crow's a long way from the wall.
He deserted it. I saw him run away. If there was any question, this is Chester Castle. Why you gotta be so gosh darn beautiful, son? The water tower. So there must have been a river right along here that they've put underground or something, or diverted. Sunset's beautiful. Magical. Very orange and Halloween-y and a little bit spooky. I think it's time to find dinner. I keep saying that, but we should probably actually find dinner. Somebody dropped their cannonball. Oh, it's because they broke their wheel. I see. Peppercorns in my gin and tonic.
What a hobgoblin.
What a boondoggle. So creamy. This one's a upper? Up here? Gin?